Assalamu alaikum. I just want to let you know, every client of mine, when I'm saying I'm a little bit busy, it's not like I'm lying to you. I'm telling you the truth. I'm busy here in Homesick Park. It's a little bit big job. It's going to take me a lot of time to finish it. So like what you can see, all of this, when it's done, I have to cut it, putting the cables, like here, this one, it's the wires, what is coming to the deep board. This is upstairs. I'm gonna put a deep board here. I'm already chopped, and on here there's a DSTV wires, what is going on top, because it's gonna be so many TVs. Then here it's a cinema place, like what you can see. Then here it's gonna be the smaller screen just for the cameras. Like what you can see, I put already the cameras wire there, down there, they're already in. Then this is PowerPoint to come to the TV. Then there's some switches. Like what you can see, this thing is very big. This is open space. I mean upstairs, don't forget. See, yeah, this one is just room. See, so all of this conduit pipe, I have to deal with this. Like what you can see now, see there's a TV, what is coming there, and whatever. This is a balcony just to chill. That one there is a toilet and the shower just for outside. I'm done there. There's already power, everything is working there. Then let's go back inside. Then this one is two-way switch. You come here, you switch it on from here. Then you can switch off of this side, or you come this side, you can switch off there. It's a lot of things. This is a bedroom. So bedroom, you got two plugs there, one there. Then you got a TV here, just on the middle of the bedroom. Then then here it's gonna be jacuzzi, whatever. That's the PowerPoint for jacuzzi there. This one, it's a gym. Then there's a plug points, there's a TV, what is coming down the corner there. Then there's a power point, and there's a power point there. There's gonna be something fridge, put a water. Let me go down because I can't finish it here. Yeah, there's another TV also there, like what you can see, and I'm still going on top with it. Yeah, this is steps. So this is steps. What is gonna be? I'm gonna tell them to weld something here, like a bucket nyana. Then I put a light under. Then those lights they are lighting on the steps. That's why I bring this pipe is here. So this pipe is just to hold my cables in. There's my cables in. You see. So all of these pipes, I'm gonna take them out. Then when I take them out, I find the cable like this. Then this cable is gonna be under the what? Under of the bucket. When the light comes there, like what you can see. So with something bigger, there's a switch there, there's another one there. So like today I was done putting the wires downstairs, first floor. I was putting the wires there. Like I'm already done, just down here to put my wires. There's a TV, what is coming here? So the TV will be mounting there, everything, and on the back of the TV, no one you have to see everything. No one you have to see even the wire, right? It's something bigger, just like that. There's my connection boxes, my deep board, another deep board here is on the garage, just here. I'm already bringing the armor cable, my wire is here, but I never finish. Yeah. Then there's this one here. I'm gonna put a box here for the internet stuff. All internet cables have to come here. I'm putting that tomorrow, inshallah. So when I'm saying I'm a little bit busy, you just need to understand, It's must lie to you. But still you can call me. I got still my guys what can come there. I can send them and do the job, and I trusting them. Here it's a laundry. It's gonna be washing machine. It's gonna put a free washing machine. There's a points number 1, points number 2, points number 3. Then it's gonna be dry machine, 2 of them. Number 1, number 2. This is a loom for the Metis loom. See, this is toilet. Just to do something bigger, to try. Here I'm putting the downlighters, the whole over. Then this is another bedroom. There's a TV also there. I'm outside now. You can see just now. Yeah, this is another bedroom. There's a TV. What is gonna come here? I have to cut here tomorrow. I'm still in bedroom, and there's another one here. And here all of this is downlight. It's open space here. And this one is a bar. This guy is drinking too much a lotto. So this one is a bar. So I'm gonna put 3 lights. 1, 2, 3. Then here I don't know what it's gonna put. They say there's a fridge what is coming, but on this ones and whatever, then here I'm putting down lights. 2 of them. When there I have to cut for air condition there. There's a switch here for the toilet and the bar and 1 light. Yeah, I'm just tired. I'm tired. I'm here like for 2 months. When there's a swimming pool, there's a jacuzzi down. Yes. Oh. So like actually I put a 3D board on here. There's a 3D board on here. See. I got 1 cigarette even I'm gonna share. Then there's a deep board again outside. All of the things what is gonna come outside here, they're coming on this deep board. So I'm already starting to link some, you see, like what you can see. And my wiring always is good, like what you can see. You know me. to show you also. Here is a very big, almost 80 kVA. kVA. They build this smaller, but I will put it a little bit high. The reading there. This is a box already mounted meter box. The wire already. There's a breaker. From municipality, it's coming to the breaker. From the breaker goes to the meter. From the meter, it's coming back, go to the house. Before it goes to the house, it comes first to lightning arrestor. There's a F spark also underground. I'm already done to do that, and you can see all of this. Even this box is already effing also. I'm gonna show you something also. Pond here, it's gonna be some and whatever. So on the side, you see what there's the stones. I'm gonna put some lights after this one is done. I'm gonna put some lights, nice lights. Thing when I come here, when these things is as master, I'm the one what I did. That toilet is there, so all of the lights what is gonna be outside, whatever ground, coming on that white deep board there. There's a segment there done. Everything is on there. Something like you're not the one. Like I'm not the Ali, you knows. You see. Thanks guys for watching this video. Bye.